Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can open journal entries recorded in the Journal of Outlook. If the entry is associated with an attached Outlook item or Office document, you can also open the associated file. After the journal entry is open, you can edit or modify its information. For journal entries associated with an Office document, editing the journal entry won't change the attached document. In the Journal folder, you can also delete journal entries without worrying about deleting the attached Office document. To open a journal entry, right-click the journal entry to open in the Journal folder in Outlook. Then click the Open Journal Entry command in the pop-up menu that appears. Alternatively, to open the Outlook item or Office document attached to a journal entry, right-click the journal entry containing the attached file. Then click the Open Item Referred To command in the pop-up menu that appears. Another way to open a journal entry is to double-click the entry to open the journal entry window. When the journal entry is open, then double-click the attached file to open it in its associated program.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.